First things first, you're going to take the old focal lens out. Always remember to close that dust cap straight after, so no dust or dirt is allowed inside. Flip it over so you can see your gasket. Turn the gasket 90 degrees and remove the upper section. Place that to one side and take your old focal lens out. Always remember, avoid touching the lens, only touch the sides. Just like that. Place that down. Now I've already unwrapped the new lens to make this process a bit easier. So I have my new lens here. Again, remember, only touch the sides of the lens, like so. Have a look and see which edge is flat and which edge sticks out a little bit. The convex side always points towards the nozzle. So in this case, my convex side is here. It's going to go face down in my cartridge, like so. Make sure it's nicely seated. Like that. Place the seal back on top and turn 90 degrees to lock it in place. Open the hatch and place it in, like so.